Hi everyone. In this guide, I'll show you how to delete your QuickBooks Online data and start over. This is useful if your data has become messy or if you're beginning a new business cycle. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account by visiting the official website. Select the correct service and carefully enter your login credentials to avoid any access issues. Once logged in, look at your browser's URL. Delete everything after the word app and press enter. This step is crucial because it enables the reset function. Now type purge company into the page and hit enter. This triggers QuickBooks data purge process. At the confirmation screen, type yes when prompted. This safeguard ensures you don't accidentally erase your data. Next, click OK to finalize the purge. All of your existing data will be permanently deleted and your account will be ready for a fresh start. Before you proceed, remember that this reset is irreversible. Be sure to back up any important data first. For first-time users, I recommend going slowly and carefully through each step. And that's how you delete your QuickBooks Online data and start over in 2025.